If you want to enable voice to text on POCO C85, we can go, let's say, to Google Messages. I'm gonna use that app as an example, and let's choose a conversation. Now in here, I'm gonna tap in order to open the keyboard, and on the right side, there's a chance that you will see this microphone, which is something that we need to use in order to activate the voice to text. So we're gonna tap over here, and if you do this for the first time, you will have to grant the permission for the keyboard to be able to record you. So then whatever you say out loud, it should be converted into a text, as you can see over here. Now, besides that, you might need to tap on the microphone again in order to make it stop listening. And if you don't have the microphone in this place, you can also tap on these 4 squares on the left side, and then in here you want to go to settings by using this gear icon. In the settings, search for voice typing and make sure that it is enabled. Subscribe to my channel.